Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel Chemistry Live UGPG. Today we are going to talk about electrophiles and nucleophiles. So this is in accordance with NEP syllabus. So I have a simple message for you guys. Please think for innovation, be creative, learn everywhere, anytime and help to learn others. So let's talk about electrophiles and nucleophiles. So what happens during the heterolytic bond cleavage? The bond is breaking. So let's say the bond is AB. So the atom on which this bond is breaking heterolytically, so that gets both the electrons with negative charge, and the other atom is electron deficient, that becomes A plus, electron deficient. So this A plus is known as electrophile, and that B minus with both the electrons, that is electronically rich, that is otherwise we call it a nucleophile. So what we can say, the heterolytic bond cleavage results the formation of two types of reaction intermediate. So one is electrophile and the other one is nucleophile. So let's define what is electrophile. Electrophile means electron loving or electrophilic reagents. So these are deficient in electrons. So electrophiles are deficient in electrons and take a pair of electron from the substrate to form the bond. And again, electrophiles are of two types. First is positive electrophile. So it carries a positive charge. So for example, proton H plus, all cations, carbocations, NO2 plus, Cl plus, etc. Similarly, there are also neutral electrophile. These are also electron deficient in nature and do not carry a positive charge. For example, AlCl3, aluminum trichloride, ZnCl2, carbines, boron trifluoride, SO3, sulfur trioxide. So these are neutral electrophiles. So now let's define nucleophile. What is nucleophile? So nucleophile means nucleus loving. So indicating the affinity for proton or H plus, the smallest nucleus, which are rich in electrons and give a pair of electron to the substrate. So again, nucleophiles are of a two type. Negative in nucleophile, it carry a pair of electron and negatively charged. Examples are X minus halides, RO minus alkoxides, NH2 minus amide, then OH minus, Cn minus, and all carbanions, etc. Similarly, there are also neutral nucleophile, which are rich in electrons due to the presence of unshared pair of electron and neutral molecules. Example, ammonia, water, amines, and alcohols. So they have a pair of electrons. These are neutral molecules. So in summary, so nucleophile is electronically rich. It has a pair of electron, and electrophile E plus, that is electronically deficient. So usually the nucleophile will attack to the electrophile to form the nucleophile-electrophile bond. Since electrophile is electron deficient, it cannot attack to the nucleophile. So if you take the arrow to attack from electrophile to nucleophile, that is the wrong concept. So that is not possible. So please subscribe to our channel Chemistry Live UGPG. This is the channel for 11th and 12th students. So this is a simple step towards e-learning, making life better. Thank you all for learning.